In 2022, BII transformed in the sense that we really began to run our venture lab program in significant scale, so really with a large number of companies, and also that we had 2 intakes in 2022. At the same time also, we have worked in 2022 to establish many other elements that are important for our ecosystem. For example, our summer school, we also organized a new course in collaboration with the business school on board education. And so we are really beginning to establish a whole range of activities that are important for the ecosystem. After several years of iteration on our programs, we have really found the formula for success in our Venture Lab program, where we are really finding the right elements to train young academics into become life science entrepreneurs, and actually in that process also build their company and build very strong business cases. And this is of course essential for them to bring their product and services to the market. BII significantly scaled up our activities, so we actually took in 17 new companies in our Venture Lab program. And we have seen these companies grow and mature through our Venture Lab program. And the fact that we now have such a large number of companies has also resulted in that we've seen an increased interest from investors. We have a very large number of investors now in our investor network. And these investors are also contributing, of course, to further strengthen the ecosystem by actually financing many of the BII companies. We saw a very large number of applications for our programs. I think we saw more than 150 applicants to our Venture Lab program. And out of that, we selected 17 companies. And so we see really an increasing interest at the universities to establish and take the science forward in terms of startup companies and taking them to BII for maturation. What I was happy to see that 2022 was also the year where we started to establish some very important partnership with other organizations. So for example, we established a partnership with Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation on women's health, such that we jointly can really build a very strong portfolio of startup companies addressing many of the unmet needs there are in that space. We also established a close collaboration with the company Novo Nordisk in terms of helping them with innovation, such that they could take some projects and mature them through our Venture Lab program. BII has taken a number of initiatives to engage various stakeholders. We have, of course, our programs. We have a number of events. One key event in 2022 was for the first time we gave the BII Science Prize. We gave that an award ceremony where we brought a number of key stakeholders together in an afternoon event. We think that this is important to actually be a facilitator and the one that helps building bridges between the universities, the startup environments, investors, as well as established companies.